All right, today I'm gonna show you a little something. We're doing a little potluck lunch thing. We got some ground meat right here, or beef, as some of you people up in the East call it, the Big East. Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Maine, Connecticut. They don't know the word meat. They call it beef. So funny, you go up east and everybody knows you're from Texas. I mean, 2 words out of your mouth, and their first word is, their first thing to you is, you're from Texas. I know, the accent, right? And the way we say things, y'all, me. Anyway, what we're going to share today is you're going to go out and you're going to buy yourself a can of nacho cheese. Put it in a crock pot, low temp, let it warm up, you know, get dissolved. And you're going to buy 2 cans of this stuff. Oop. Oop. Rotel Original, diced tomato and green peppers. You get 2 cans of this, put it in there, and then you get your ground beef, Texas meat. Yeah, it's 5 pounds. And you put it all together. You put your diced tomatoes in the nacho cheese, which I'm making 2 pots. And you meat and you stir it. And you serve it with chips, nacho chips. You know, I like to do a little diced onion. Maybe some diced jalapeno peppers or pickled peppers. I mean, jalapeno peppers. And also some chopped onion fresh on top. And I guarantee you what, it's pretty easy to make, feeds a lot of people, and it's a shop favorite. So something different, something to help you guys. You know, I know the shop, right? They always like to eat out and like to eat different things, and this is something that is a pretty popular dish. Took it to the shop once, and now the guys are always asking, hey, when are you going to bring the cheese thing? You know, the queso. They call it the queso. Mexican for cheese. Queso. And it's just nacho cheese. That's all it is. Anyway, thought I'd do something a little different. A little different video. We're getting ready to start the shift. Get our product ready to go for the guys. And like I said, nacho cheese melted in a crock pot, 2 cans of diced tomatoes and green chilies. Rotel's my favorite. You can probably find it online. And ground meat. One thing that's funny is when you go up east, New England area, the beef, even if you go to the stores up there, it doesn't taste the same as the beef from Texas. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it takes so long to get it up there, and of course it is about 3 times more expensive for beef up in New England area. Of course, they do more seafood, they do more veggie type foods, so you know, they're more vegetarian, which is fine. And seafood, you know, big seafood, a lot of shrimp, a lot of different things, good stuff. And but anyway, thought I'd share. You know, hey, good party favor. You know, good to have at a party. You know, everybody just can get their own as they go, and works out real good. Thanks, like, subscribe, and we'll keep them coming.